COVID-19 has had an impact on every single life in the world. For students like me, that means whereas we would usually be getting our education in a school building with other students and teachers, we're now getting our education through a screen and a webcam. Now, virtual learning is inherently different and arguably worse than in-person learning. That's just the nature of it. But I figured that I could make it a little more manageable, and I'll show you how I did that with Zoom to Class. Let me show you how I used to go to class. I would open up my email, I would go to my flagged mail, click on this email from my high school counselor. I would scroll down to all of these links, find the right class, and click on the link for that class. Now that takes a while. Let me show you how I get to class now. I simply open this Zoom to Class app, and I click on the open button. That's all. As you can see, my app makes getting to your Zoom classroom much faster. Here's how to set up Zoom to Class. Once you've opened the app, click on the settings button in the top left. This will take you to a list of all of your classes. You can have the time of your class, the name of it, or the Zoom link for it. You can also delete classes with the red X next to the class name, or you can add a class with the Add Class button at the bottom. Your changes will be automatically saved. Once you set up your information, whenever you open Zoom to Class, it will intelligently and automatically pick the right Zoom link for you. Simply click on the Open button and Zoom to Class. I coded Zoom to Class for a variety of different platforms. On macOS and iOS, I used Swift 5 and SwiftUI and Xcode 12. For Windows, I used a Python tool called FBS along with PyQt 5. Finally, I did create a version for Android, but it's not quite ready for release. It even works on Linux. Kind of. Eventually, I'll release a stable official version for both Linux and Android. Across all platforms, there are thousands of lines of code in Zoom to Class.
My friend Sam created this really useful app to help you speed up the process of going to Zoom classes.
App Zoom to Class will really help you get to class in a fast manner.
And I use it all the time to just speed up the process. I just have to click open and it's already done.
It's super easy to use and very beneficial.
I think it's really easy and really well set up.